Asus has been making motherboards since 1989 and they are undoubtedly best in class. The new Prime Utopia concept PC rig is a showcase of what PC computing holds for future. It gives a glimpse into the future of motherboards with a custom build that we got a chance to experience at Computex 2019. The Prime Utopia reimagines core motherboard elements to improve cooling for critical components and expand flexibility for PCI Express devices. It features modular IOs that offer more freedom outside the box, while special headers support multiple independent fans to cut cable clutter inside the case. You can monitor it all on a removable OLED dashboard capable of connecting wirelessly. Let's understand the design front from an expert from Asus.
So we have here the Asus Prime Utopia. This is a brand new concept motherboard. So there's a whole bunch of different bits of tech and cool stuff on here that we've never ever shown off and has never really been seen in a product before. So the big difference, something that you'll immediately notice, is on the front here there is a massive 7-inch touchscreen. That's going to show all the specs of your PC, it's going to show all the performance stats that you want, and that's detachable as well. So you can have that on your desk if you want. It works by Wi-Fi, so it connects wirelessly, and it'll pretty much show you everything that you need to. And because you've got that space on the front, the PCIe slot has been moved to the back. So instead of having a graphics card on the front like you would normally, it's on the back instead. So not only does that make the board look way cleaner, but you'll have much better thermal performance as well because there's space on the back for that graphics card to take in and output air. There's a couple of other cool features on here as well. So the I/O ports on here, these are hot swappable. So if you don't want loads of USB ports, for example, you can take them off, or you can have multiple LAN ports, you can have loads of USBs if you want to. There's a whole bunch of different options there. We've also been developing a brand new fan system called Hydra Cortex. Benefit of that is instead of having one fan that you can control per fan header, instead you can get up to 4 on one. So it's a much more efficient system than ever before, and it means you can have way more control over your fans than ever before. So instead of just having one and then splitting them off and having to have them all at the same speed or doing the same thing with the lighting, you can have them all set independently. So way more control than you've had with previous stuff. And another really cool feature of this is the VRMs are water cooled. So if you have a look on the back of the Prime Utopia, you'll notice that there's all these little water pipes as well. So that's going to give you way better VRM performance than ever before. It's traditionally been a very difficult and a very hard to achieve thing to actually get water cooling on VRMs. It's very rare for a build to have that, but now we've built it straight into the motherboard so you can get really good performance really easily. And that is pretty much everything about the brand new Prime Utopia.
Contrary to traditional layouts that put everything on one side of the system, thus limiting space and cooling for the hardware, Prime Utopia concept moves the critical components to the back side. A graphics card and 4 M.2 slots are placed at the back to enable insanely fast SSD RAID arrays with ample cooling and easy accessibility. A dedicated chamber has also been provided to offer superior cooling with easy access. In short, the Prime Utopia concept by Asus demonstrates a whole new setup which differs from the ATX motherboard design standard we see in today's time. So this was all about the Prime Utopia concept motherboard from Asus that we got a chance to experience at Computex 2019. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off. Have a good day.